Been about 2 days and I've got to get ready. There's a parade coming through here. Want to mow the front and the back, or at least the front one more time. And then I got to sit on the corner to make sure that no bullies come through here and try to clip the corner and act like complete idiots, because this is gonna be right on the parade route. Beautiful flower right there, dahlia, full of earwigs. Another beautiful cornel there. Beautiful flowers down here. Mary Munn's is down here. Look at this guy, Bradley Aaron, okay? Beautiful flower here, dahlia, Bradley Aaron. Look at that guy, Patches. So pretty, see that? When it starts looking kind of dead on the back, you clip it. Cleaning out weeds. Ooh, look at that one. That's Megan Dean, little ball variety, beautiful little flower. My dahlias are in full swing, so let's get the lawnmower out and do a quickie mow before all these people come by. I got about 1 hour before they start showing up, so let's get straight to this and I'll go show you what I got going on. Mowed this yesterday. The lawn looks good. I did a plaid pattern. All right, so I'm gonna set up shop right here on the corner. See that? My mower's right there. So people can't cut the corner. They're gonna try to drive on my lawn. I am not going to let them. That's why I've got this thing right here, this post, is they try to drive on the lawn and cut the corner. See this cat right here? So, oh yeah, let's just turn around right here. Barely enough room to do anything. Got all these people coming through. This guy, and this lady. Oh, here comes some other people. I'm telling you, it's gonna be one busy place. What is this freaking cat doing right here? Seriously. Like, oh yeah, let's just drive right there. How about this spot? This looks like a good place to park. Are you freaking kidding me? See all these freaking people coming through here? See why I'm setting up shop on the corner? They're gonna try to pull a fast one on me, and I'm not gonna let them. That machine right there, yeah. I'm setting up shop right here so no bozos try to cut the corner on me. I gotta stand my ground so these people don't try to pull a fast one on me. How do you do it? How do you do it? Why is that lawn so nice? Why do you have, what's the special scene? Nothing special about this lawn, folks. Just nice because I take the time to take care of it. How do you do it? How do you do it? Oh man, how do you do it? Why is your lawn so nice? Trying my best, but look at the stripes here. See how they don't match up from here beyond the park strip there? It kind of sucks, but doing my best, you know what I mean? And my best sometimes isn't always good enough. Came down this stripe right here, and I wanted to turn around so I could hit this stripe right here on here. Look, I did a full U-turn right there and it tore up the turf right there. See that? It's not the end of the world, but you just got to be careful. Just because it's a zero turn doesn't mean you can do a zero turn style. You got to watch yourself. Look, there she is over there. She's mowing her lawn. You know the neighbor I let borrow the zero turner? She's over there mowing because guess what? I lent the mower out to somebody else. And she's over there mowing with her old mower. Just loving life over there. Hey! So we're all getting ready because the parade's coming right through here. Really happy with the look on that. Oh man, it's stripes are amazing with that ryegrass. All right, so it's really hard to see the stripes where you're mowing if you're coming in this direction here. I mean, look how awesome that looks. It's truly amazing. This is the best time of year for me. You know, mid-August, the temperatures are perfect and the grass is amazing. So I need to get my T-post out, put it on the corner so I don't have butt heads coming around here, clipping the corner. The parade will start in probably about 30 minutes or something like that. I love mowing the lawn. I love it when it looks like this. This here, see all those patches of lime green? Pretty sure that's poetriv and that pisses me off. I put this T-post right here so people just stay in their lane. Don't try to clip the corner. Sister Ward claims that I'm getting primped and curled with my lawn because all these people are coming by. And there might be some truth to that, folks. So I finished the lawn, this part at least. It looks really good, I'm happy with it. I like the plaid look, it's very awesome. All the poetriv I'm not exactly pleased about, but I don't know what to do about that. A full nuclear option might be on the table there, folks. All those floats are gonna come down that road right there, and then they're gonna come around here. And I'm gonna be here to lay down the hammer for them not to drive on my freaking lawn. So back to the story of the mower there. Here comes some cats through here. I don't know what they want, but. What are you looking at, pal? Oh, okay. So anyways, this mower, okay? So I spent $3,000 getting it to me. That included the mower itself. But when I got it, it was like so freaking rusty. And I proceeded to spend like $4,000 or $5,000 getting this thing back into shape. And I documented that. Made lots of videos on that, and you can go back and look at those on my channel. But the reels were all, the reels themselves, the whole cutting unit was replaced. Like literally, the only thing that I saved, very minimal parts on the cutting units, 3 of them that I saved with this sucker. So I put a lot of time and energy into fixing this thing. But look at the time it saves me. I love this mower, and it's so fun to use, and it lays down the most beautiful looking stripes. But all in all, I think I'm probably into this mower maybe $6,000 to $8,000. A lot more than I would have ever imagined that I wanted to be into this mower. So looking back, and if I had to do this all over again, I would have been better off just to buy a newer model, because this is a 2003. It's got 3,700 hours. I think it had like 3,500 hours when I got it. But I probably would have been better off just buying a newer model mower with less hours and spending $6,000 to $8,000, maybe even $9,000 on the mower itself. Would have been better off. Less work, newer model, all that stuff. While I do love this mower, I probably will never get my money back that I put into it. But I tell you folks, this is a labor of love. This is an absolute gem. I love it. I'm just hanging out here, watching all these people coming by, doing like a people watching kind of event, mowing the lawn. And I'm thoroughly enjoying it. Videos are great. Hey, appreciate you. Good work. Thanks for watching. So look how poor that stripe is right there. See how it's not straight? It kind of, you can see my stripe going this direction and then the one coming back in this direction here. It's just piss poor, not satisfactory over there. It's a little bit like a dry erase board, okay? If you can't get it right the first time, you go at it again. Now it's kind of crooked through here, but it's good enough, really. I'm happy with it, so I'm gonna go with it. This stripe going through there really is not straight at all. So I need to aim more so for that orange bucket there. I'm done mowing for now. Parade should be starting any minute now. I'm just gonna go and chill out. The only thing I didn't redo is the back here. I mowed the back yesterday, so it might be okay there. All right, so I think they're gonna be coming through here pretty soon. I did mow the back yesterday, and then this section, I mowed 3 days in a row, which is really, really nice. It's been a long time since I've been able to do that, but I finally got the courage and the time to get it done this time. I can hear the sirens over there for the parade, and then I can hear the band playing music over there. Secret Agent Man. So I don't know if you can see that clear in the distance over there, but there's this little small amphitheater type thing. Little stage. Cover band playing Secret Agent Man or something, I don't know. All right, so here they come. I can hear their loud sirens, which are really freaking annoying, to be honest with you. They could just cut the noise. We don't need the noise. See, I told you they're coming through here. There they are again. I think they're so cool. Yeah. It's the Grand Marshal, folks. The Grand Marshal's coming through. Oh, yeah, the Grand Marshal. Yeah. We love you.
You have the prettiest lawn in town. Sweet. So you have to have a piece of taffy.
So they pass out the saltwater taffy, you know, at the parade. Oh, here comes some more.
Look how cute that truck is, though.
Candy! Yeah! Yeah, candy, yeah!
You got our bus.
See that?
You got
We got the best seat in the house.
Yeah.
Yeah! 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 Woo! Yeah! Let's see how much candy we can accumulate on the lawn here.
We got to take it off the lawn so people feel bad, and then they'll give more. There's no epic.
Water pops. Look at that. Water bottles. Yay! Yay! Yeah! Yeah! This is freaking awesome, folks. See how much candy we got? This is freaking the best. This is the best spot in town. Yeah! 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 Better not be it.
Look, there's another rock right there. You got two.
Yeah? Check this out. See that? It's a party over here, folks. More beads and everything. It's like the full-on Mardi Gras. This is probably the best party I've been to in like a whole week. All you can eat candy, necklaces and beads. It's just, it's living the dream. We got the rodeo queen and everything right here. See that? That's awesome. Yay! 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 Yeah, candy! Yeah! Yeah! Look how much there is now, folks.
And a bag.
And we got a whole bag full. Look at that! See that? Yay! Artsy Willie! Yes! We love Artsy Willie! Yeah! Oh, you see that? That's awesome!
Is this like gift cards?
Yeah, thank you. Oh, folks, this is where the boy is. The boy's on the red bus, okay? Don't run over the candy.
We saved it for you.
Don't run over the candy.
I'm not.
There's even more coming.
What the?
There's more coming.
Yes!
Yes, there's more coming. And we thought it was all over, okay?
Hurry! We can't let him see.
Check that out, folks. See that? That's a score. Yay! More candy! More candy! Yeah! Yeah! All right, guys. So the parade's over, and I got to show you how much freaking candy we got. It's ridiculous, okay? Water bottles, soccer balls. Look at that. That's a lot of flipping candy, okay? That's a lot. But that's pretty freaking sweet. Like I told you, I was the guardian of the lawn here right on the corner. So I was there to be the bouncer, not to let anybody get on the lawn. Be like, you get off. And there are people walking by. Hey, is that lawn real? Is that lawn real? Of course it's real. I mowed it. Just mowed the freaking thing. That right there is the haul of the century, folks.
I don't think we're even gonna eat.
I'm not even gonna eat any of it.
1/10.
So that was quite the event. Holy crap. We freaking hauled in. Oh my gosh, look at that beep beeper. See that beep beeper? That's what you call a beep beep. I just gotta clean up everything and be back on my way. Get back in the house and hide from everyone. That is it, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys. That's a sincere statement. I really do. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.